snow is falling, see you, and the land is calling, see you, and the people need lifting, see you, and voices need listening, see you.
Oh, hi! We didn't see you there.
Are you the one who wanted to learn the chorus of CU Denver's alma mater?
Great, you're in the right place. I'm Genevieve.
And I'm Katie, and today we'll be your musical guides.
We're going to be singing the chorus together with me singing the first part and Katie singing the second part. And remember, this time you'll be learning my part.
Let's do it.
When the snow is falling,
See you, Denver.
and the land is calling,
See you, Denver.
when the people need lifting,
See you, Denver.
and voices need listening.
See you, Denver.
That chorus is so pretty.
And it sounds even better when voices are singing together in pride.
You're so right, Katie. We should break it down so that everyone can join.
Great idea. We'll sing the first two lines and make sure you keep following Genevieve's part.
When the snow is falling,
See you, Denver.
and the land is calling,
See you, Denver. That was great.
now let's try singing with me. When the snow is falling,
See you, Denver.
and the land is calling,
See you, Denver. Give yourself a pat on the back. I think they're ready to learn the second part of the chorus, Genevieve.
I think so too, but remember to keep following me. You'll learn Katie's part in the next video. All right, ready? When the people need lifting,
See you, Denver.
and voices need listening,
See you, Denver. Wow, I think I heard some humming along there, Genevieve.
I think I did too. Do you think they're ready for the full chorus?
I think so.
All right, let's do it. When the snow is falling,
See you, Denver.
and the land is calling,
See you, Denver.
when the people need lifting,
See you, Denver.
and voices need listening,
See you, Denver.
give yourselves a round of applause.
Want to learn even more of the alma mater? Then go to the next video to learn the second part of the chorus.
The part that Katie was singing.
Or go to the previous video to learn the verses.
Thank you for watching CU Denver's alma mater tutorial.
And make sure you go watch the other videos of the tutorial.
And don't forget to share with all your friends.
Check out the links in the description for the lyrics and recording of the alma mater.
And don't forget to bring your truth and passion to the fight.